Hi guys, I am Akanksha Sehgal and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then welcome to my channel. If you're someone who loves DIYs, crafts and want to dive into my crafting journey, then make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. So it's been a very long time that I made an unboxing video, and that was because of one reason, that I was not making any purchases recently for my craft supplies. But recently I got this gift from my friends, and it was a post birthday gift. It was a surprise for me, and I received it few days back, and I just opened the cardboard packaging of it because I wanted to see all the contents with you guys. So I waited for, it was like I think 2 days. Yeah, so without further ado, let's just quickly open the package. So I'll just take this out. So we got this note from Dress My Craft. So I've been on a not spending a lot of money on my craft supplies recently spree, because so we got some candies here. So the biggest reason for me not buying a lot of craft supplies recently is that I was on a saving spree, because I had a lot of stuff, just what do we say? I had a lot of stuff just stacking up on my shelves, so I wanted to use those things first and then go for new things. So that is the reason I was not buying anything new recently. But I got this surprise parcel, and in here it's the note from Dress My Craft, and this is, so Dress My Craft have launched a new Transfer Me collection. So this is the trial size for that, and we have instructions here like how to use this. So I'll try and make a video for this, like how I use it, how it goes. And let's just quickly open this. So it's a dream door kit. It's a full kit, and let's see what's inside and how it looks. So we have a 6x6 inch paper pack here. Let's just quickly open it. I've been seeing a lot of pictures for this kit recently on Instagram, and I really wanted to buy it, but I was just waiting, and I got it as a surprise. So it has 24 papers, and we have a really bad weather going here, so you can just ignore that. So let's just do a quick flip through. I really love these patterns. The colors are so pretty. The patterns are really pretty. I love this one. I love this sheet. I've been seeing the images for this particular page on a lot of posts on Instagram recently, and all the creations that were going on with this pack were beautiful, just beautiful. And then there's a Transfer Me kit here. So it has these designs in here. I love these floral designs. This is such a pretty vintage design. Then we have this motif sheet here. I love these butterflies and the flowers. Again, the vintage designs. Loved it. And this is the 12 by 12 inch size. So this has same patterns as this one, so I'm not going to open this. And this was pretty much about this quick haul, because I wanted to open this package with you guys, because you really loved my previous video and you wanted more unboxing videos like these. And make sure you're following me on my business Instagram handle, so that you can see what I make from these pretty things that I have received. I'll leave a link to my page here and in the description box below, so you can go check that out. And don't forget to like, comment and share this video, and stay tuned for more videos, and I'll be seeing you guys super soon. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.